It's left behind. It's Jaitra who turns around. Now we have another whistle. The umpire, Robin Sanchez, running a tight ship here. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the first match this evening. It is the Radha TMT's Women Arena Polo Cup 2024 being played between the Eagles team, Radha TMT Eagles in white shirts and Telangana Tourism Tigers in black shirts. Another penalty, again in favor of Eagles. And it looks like it's going to be Caroline to take the strike once again. Play call. Caroline strikes and this is the first goal of the evening. यार थोड़ा दिल से तालियां बजाओ, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा यहाँ पे, इसीलिए बोलते हैं सुबह सुबह अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट खाना चाहिए. यार देखने से ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत सारे स्पेक्टेटर्स हमारे बिल्कुल सीरियस होके बैठे हुए हैं. Perry. Oh, Monica strikes, puts the ball up. Elizabeth there, backs the ball. Once again, Monica just overrides a bit. Elizabeth rides hard. It is Elizabeth in attack. She strikes. Again, the ball takes a little deflection. Perry is there. Perry backs the ball, turns it around. Jaitra and Monica. Jaitra overriding. And so does Monica. Elizabeth back on the ball. It is Elizabeth. Elizabeth Peck. Waiting for some space. The Eagles players raising their mallet. Nice looking strike there from Megan. But the ball takes a deflection. It's still lying there in front. Chance here for the Tigers team. And we have a whistle. Ball in play. Ball in play. Elizabeth Peck. Hooked there by Monica. Monica riding really hard, keeping her opponents under pressure. Nice pick up on the near side by Caroline. It's Elizabeth with a chance there, being marked by Monica. And Perry marking on the ball now. Perry. Perry strikes. Caroline trying to score with a backhander. The ball takes a little deflection. Megan on the ball now. Megan with a backhander. Looking good, but the ball goes wide to the left. It's again Monica and Elizabeth together. Very difficult angle. Monica gets the ball. Takes a deflection. Picks it up once again. It's Jaitra. Jaitra passes the ball up to Perry. Chance here for the Tigers. Oh, Perry strikes the ball, takes a deflection from the pony. Ladies and gentlemen, just for those who are new to arena polo, I'd like to inform you this is an inflated rubber ball. When the ball hits a player or a horse, there's no chance of any pain or injury because it's a very soft inflated ball. Unlike in full-size polo fields where a hard plastic ball is used, this is Megan Flynn for the Eagles team. This time opens her arms out. Megan Flynn strikes. The ball is looking good. And it's Caroline who gives it the finishing touch. That is the second goal for Radha TMT Eagles. Nice strike by Megan Flynn. And good finish there by Caroline Wissers, who's always there at the right place at the right time. Once again, it's Caroline on the ball. Caroline backs the ball. Takes another deflection. The ball still lying in the deep corner. Elizabeth Peck. And Jaitra. Jaitra picks it up for the Tigers team. Caroline, hooked there by Jaitra. Megan. Megan absolutely unmarked. All the Tigers players ahead of her. Megan with absolute freedom to tap the ball and take it ahead. Nobody marking her. It's Megan all the way, and all the way to goal number 3. strike taken there by Monica. Elizabeth backs it. Perry Markle. Perry and Caroline. Megan. Megan hooked by Monica. Elizabeth standing over the ball. Monica trying to pick it up on the near side. For our spectators who are not used to this term, the near side refers to the left flank of a horse. Is Jayetra Kakarla. Jayetra and Elizabeth Peck once again steals the ball. What a strike by Elizabeth with the ball flying past the goal mouth. Goes and strikes the back wall. And a backhander this time. The ball just passes wide and touches the back wall once again. Caroline misses. Caroline hooked there by Jayetra. Jayetra doing a good job of marking her opponent. This is Perry Markle who leaves it for Monica. Monica hooked by Elizabeth. Chance here for Elizabeth. Another backhander, a long shot, but the direction lacking. And it is Perry. 30 seconds to go. The first bell has been sounded. It's Megan on the ball. Megan hooked by Monica. Monica picks it up for the Tigers team. It is Monica. This time hooked there by Caroline Wissers. And it's Elizabeth who picks it up. Elizabeth in attack for the Eagles team. A nice strike. Once again, she cuts the ball. That would have been a nice cut shot on a cricket field. But the ball going wide, not resulting in their fourth goal. Well, with that second bell, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of Chakka number 1. The scoreboard reads 3-0 in favor of Radha TMT Eagles. Telangana Tourism Tigers yet to open their account. We'll take a short break. Be with us for the second and final Chakka of the Radha TMT Women's Arena Polo Cup 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to begin the second Chakka with a ceremonial throw-in by Mr. Ali Ahmed and his grandson, young Hamid, all of 4 years of age. Are we all good? We are all set. Okay, play gets underway for the second and final Chakka of this special polo game to celebrate the International Women's Day. Elizabeth Peck gets a little touch. Megan gets it. Monica up there getting ready for... Oh, she stays clear. Megan Flynn. This time the teams have changed ends. You have the Eagles team attacking towards this side. Megan Flynn with a chance and she scores goal number 4. Monica strikes. And again, Monica waiting for a deflection. It is Monica on the ball, still all by herself. Monica taking the ball into the deep corner, being marked there by Elizabeth. It's tough when the horses are heading towards the wall. Monica now with a backhander, but Elizabeth on the inside takes the ball away from the goal mouth. It is Elizabeth now hooked there by Monica. The ball just slowing down a bit. You've got a pair coming behind Perry Markle. And it is Monica on the ball. Monica strikes once again. The ball going towards the center line. Chance here. Both the sides working really hard. Monica with a big swing doesn't connect. And we have a whistle. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. Free hit for the Eagles team taken by Megan Flynn. That's a long strike by Megan. The ball taking a deflection off the back wall. It's still lying within striking distance. Caroline got a little touch, but also a whistle from the umpire. The umpire, Miss Robin Sanchez, placing the ball on the penalty spot, and Chance here for the Eagles to score their 5th goal. Is it going to be Caroline Bissers getting ready? She's decided to tee up the ball a bit. Players are always trying to place the ball correctly and nicely so that they can get some elevation when they swing their mallet. Play called, which is the signal for the attacking player to go ahead and take that penalty strike. It is Caroline who strikes it straight, and that is goal number 5 for the Eagles team. Play call. Perry Markel. Perry for the Tigers team. Telangana Tourism Tigers. Perry tapping. Perry being followed by Monica and Elizabeth. The ball once again getting tight next to the wall, and a whistle. Play call. Monica taking a strike. She strikes. The ball hit hard but cuts to the right side and deflects off the back wall. That is Elizabeth. Now nice lofted shot by Elizabeth. She opens up play. Elizabeth being marked by Monica. Monica just backs the ball enough for Jaitra. Elizabeth. This time it is Elizabeth hooked there by Monica, and Megan hooked by Jaitra. The ball, Monica strikes a backhander. The ball takes a deflection off a horse, goes to the back wall, and again Monica strikes it, this time going laterally away from the goal mouth, takes it away from the danger zone. Oh, again the players striking the ball into the horses. The ball taking a deflection. This time it is Monica who gets a little shot. She's being marked by Elizabeth. It is Monica on the ball, looking nice but going wide to the right side. She'll have to center the ball, waiting for a deflection now. This time it's still Monica. Megan strikes. The ball takes a deflection from the umpire's horse. There's a big tussle going on between so many players. The scoreboard not exactly revealing the play which is going on the field. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the Tigers team also doing really well, marking their opponents, just not lucky enough to get goals on the scoreboard. Jaitra strikes. This time the Tigers team up, and once again Elizabeth, such a strong rider she is, just makes sure that she doesn't give her opponents any space. And again it is Elizabeth who takes the ball. Elizabeth being marked by Monica. Elizabeth will have to now take on the strike on the near side. She still strikes, and the ball moving along the wall goes into the deep corner and out of play. That's like a trick corner in this arena polo ground. The ball went under the gates. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the space from where the horses and the players enter the field. So there is a slight gap between the gate and the ground, which is required. Free hit given to the Tigers team. Perry strikes. It's a nice looking strike by Perry. The two players attacking now. It's Monica on the ball. Monica strikes. She's taken it close to the goal mouth. And that is the first goal for the Tigers team. Finally, the Telangana Tourism Tigers open their account with the first goal scored by Monica Saxena. And this is Elizabeth Peck. Elizabeth. The ball still inside the field of play, right under the horses. Jayatra is there. Elizabeth tapping the ball very cleverly, keeping the ball close to herself. This is clever play. Jayatra tries to mark, and we have a whistle. Let's see. Play called, a free hit for the Tigers team. Monica strikes. It's a nice looking shot crossing the center of the field, and look at the way she's pushed her horse into some speed. Checking, getting ready to straighten the ball up. Takes a little backhander. Nice work there by Monica. Another backhander, straightens the ball out, waiting for a deflection from the wall there. It is still Monica. The ball right ahead of her. The ball moves up, and the players always looking around to see which way the ball has taken. After the deflection, it is Elizabeth Peck. Elizabeth once again close to the goal mouth, this time being tucked hard by Monica. Elizabeth picks up the ball on the near side. Monica clears it from the danger zone. Monica and Elizabeth riding hard. The backhander from Elizabeth. The ball has been stopped by Perry Markle. Caroline Visser strikes, and again in the next attempt. That was half a dozen. Is going to come up, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the live action on the giant screens on both sides of the arena. This is the Tigers team, Telangana Tourism Tigers. The first bell is gone. Play will continue for another 30 seconds. This is Caroline Vissers. Eagles leading 6-1. Megan Flynn. Megan with the ball. Are we going to see lucky 7 for the Eagles team? They're right up there. The ball taking a deflection, moving across the goal mouth. And that is the final bell. The final bell to mark the end of this Radha TMT Women's Arena Polo Cup 2024. Radha TMT Eagles winning this match 6-1, beating Telangana Tourism Tigers with that scoreline. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the players exchanging greetings, as is the tradition after every polo match. May I request all the spectators, if you could please give a round of applause to both the teams